National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a...
Shit. Come on back to
Worcester County in central New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Milford to Severethunderstorm, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Ewing, Norristown.
Oh, Philadelphia's getting it.
Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Quakertown, Ferguson, Doylestown, Downingtown, Coxsackie, Trentboro, Solomon, Munster, Antler, Collegeville, and Royersford. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 298 and 349. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 42. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 338. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 73 and 76. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 19. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.